This is my Sony CCD-TRV77E Hi8 XR camcorder taken apart. I took it apart because I wanted to see if its microphones would fit the Sony TRV900 camcorder right there. I ordered new microphones for it off of Amazon. That's going to cost me a whopping €99. So I wanted to know if I already had some replacements lying around for much cheaper. Turns out this thing's microphones are completely different from the TRV900 microphones. So that's not going to be an option. I'm never using this camcorder to record, just for playback, so the microphones of this one, it wouldn't matter if they were broken. But anyway, at least I could now go ahead and straighten out the huge big dent in the microphone grill of this camcorder. So, well, the work has not been done for nothing. So anyway, now I want to take this thing and put it back together. And here we go with some photos that I took. And I can't really show you much more detail because the battery is flat on this Panasonic camcorder right here. But anyway, now I'm going to go ahead and put this back together.